Hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the High Fitness by Weakness channel. Today I'm gonna show you 10 keto salad dressings to spice up your low-carb lifestyle. Keto diet is a very low-carb, high-fat diet that has been shown to deliver several health benefits. While this way of eating can be inherently limiting, advancements in food science and culinary creativity have made this diet much easier to follow. Non-starchy vegetables like salad greens are low in carbs and a terrific option if you're following a keto diet. Still, it can be tricky to find a tasty, low-carb salad dressing that goes beyond plain oil and vinegar. Here are 10 keto-friendly salad dressings, all with 4 grams of carbs per serving or less. Home-style ranch. While traditional ranch dressing is made with buttermilk, the recipe swaps it out for sour cream, mayo, and heavy cream, providing the same flavor profile with reduced carb and increased fat contents. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayo, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of chopped chives, 1 teaspoon of dried dill, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Combine all ingredients in a bowl or container with a lid. Stir well. Refrigerate for a couple of hours to serve chilled or serve it immediately at room temperature. Keto Italian vinaigrette. This keto spin on a great classic pairs well with almost any salad greens. With ingredients that most people have in their pantries, it can serve as a staple for your keto lifestyle. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 cup of light olive oil, 4 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Combine all ingredients in a dressing container with a lid. Shake vigorously and let rest for 30 minutes to allow the flavors to develop. Store in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Creamy jalapeno cilantro dressing. With the spicy kick of jalapeno and freshness of cilantro, the simple dressing brings a brightening touch not only to salads but also grilled meats and vegetables. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro, 1/2 cup sour cream or Greek yogurt, 1/2–1 chopped jalapeno, 6 garlic cloves, peeled, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 cup of water. Blend all ingredients in a blender or food processor until smooth. Let rest for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the flavors to develop. Keto honey mustard dressing. This dressing is not only for salads but can also serve as a zesty dipping sauce for all your favorite keto finger foods. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of full-fat sour cream, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of granular erythritol or another keto-friendly sweetener. Add all ingredients to a mixing bowl and whisk to combine. Store in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Keto Thousand Island dressing. This keto-friendly take on a classic dressing combines just the right amount of sweetness, from stevia, and acidity, from ketchup and vinegar, to satisfy your taste buds while keeping carbs low. Ingredients: 1 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of reduced sugar ketchup, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped pickles, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 1/8 teaspoon of stevia, salt and pepper to taste. Divide the chopped pickles and onions so you have 2 separate 1 tablespoon servings for each. Combine all ingredients, except for 1 tablespoon each of onion and pickles, in a blender or food processor and blend until smooth. Stir in the remaining onions and pickles. Pour the dressing into a jar, place in your refrigerator, and let the flavors develop for at least 30 minutes. 5-minute Keto Caesar dressing. Whip up this dressing in just 5 minutes, toss with some salad greens, and top with a bit of Parmesan cheese for a quick and simple Caesar salad with minimal carbs. Ingredients: 3 garlic cloves, finely chopped, 1 1/2 teaspoon of anchovy paste, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, or the juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 3/4 cup of mayo, salt and pepper to taste. Add garlic, anchovy paste, Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard to a medium bowl and whisk together. Add mayo and continue to whisk until combined. Add salt and pepper to taste. creamy keto blue cheese dressing with chives. Whether it's chicken wings or just plain greens, this whole food-based blue cheese dressing ensures no added chemicals that many bottled varieties provide. Ingredients: 1 cup of mayo, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 cup of crumbled blue cheese and 1/4 cup of fresh chives, chopped. Add all ingredients to a medium bowl and whisk together until well combined. Wasabi cucumber avocado dressing. This dressing is especially refreshing on a hot summer day but can be paired with fresh vegetables for a low-carb option any time of year. The wasabi powder can be adjusted to taste, depending on your desired level of heat. Ingredients: 1 avocado, 2 to 4 stalks of green onion, 1/2 cucumber, finely chopped, juice of 1/2 lime, 2 tablespoons of wasabi powder, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 teaspoons of rice or apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Combine all ingredients in a food processor or blender and pulse until smooth. Asian peanut dressing. Most commercially produced peanut sauces pack a good deal of added sugar, making it hard to fit them into a keto diet. This recipe leaves out the sugar but captures the essence of any great peanut sauce. Use it as a marinade for chicken sauté or to top your favorite mixed greens. Ingredients: 1/3 cup of natural peanut butter, 1/4 cup of hot water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 lime, juice, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix all ingredients in a blender or food processor until smooth. Store in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. If you feel the dressing is lacking sweetness, a few drops of stevia extract should do the trick. Keto raspberry tarragon dressing. This dressing provides a solid dose of antioxidants from fresh raspberries and tarragon, with the added bonus of medium-chain triglyceride oil to fuel ketosis. It's a great option for any type of greens but can also be used to marinate salmon, chicken, and other protein sources. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of MCT oil, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 and 1/2 teaspoon of fresh tarragon, or 1/2 teaspoon dried, 1/4 teaspoon of keto-friendly sweetener, pinch of salt of your choice and 1/2 cup of fresh raspberries, mashed. Combine all ingredients, except for the raspberries, in a bowl and whisk for about 15 seconds until creamy. Add the mashed raspberries and stir well to combine. Adjust to desired sweetness. The very low-carb, high-fat keto diet has gained popularity in recent years. While this way of eating can be rather restrictive, creative recipes can provide the flavors of old high-carb favorites with minimal carbs, making boring salads a thing of the past. Most of the above recipes can be kept in the refrigerator for 7 or more days, giving you an array of dressings to choose from. With mostly whole food ingredients and a good dose of fat, these dressings are sure to add life to your keto diet. And that's it for today. If you like any of these options, you can rewind the video and save the recipe. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for something that can really help you lose weight, please check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive new powerful videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.